preparations of alcohols. Now we are preparing alcohols by different methods from like alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alkyl halides, and some new chapter like aldehydes and ketones. The first preparation is from alkanes, R bond H, alkane like propane, isobutane, neopentane, etc. In alkanes chapter, as we studied a number of things, free radical substitution, chlorination, bromination, difficult iodination, etc. Excess of treatment of halogen, etc. So selectively, I would like to react things like this. Pehla, CH4 plus Cl2 less quantity is equal to, in the presence of sunlight, if I am getting CH3Cl, then I will hydrolyze this molecule with the help of KOH and I will get CH3OH. Simple method. मीन्स पहले अल्केन को हेलोजिनेट करके अल्काइल हैलाइड बना के उसमें KOH ट्रीट किया, और KOH ट्रीट करना इट इज वेरी वेरी वेल नोन SN2 रिएक्शन. Here one more example of this type is, suppose I am taking CH3, CH2, CH3 and I am treating there, suppose bromine, Br2 and Br2. This bromine reacts either in terminal carbon or in central carbon and giving me CH3, CH2, Br, one product, one as CH3, CHBr and CH3, and these on treatment with KOH. KOH जो है इन दोनों Br को रिप्लेस कर देगा और हमें मिलेगा normal propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. So these are the preparations of alcohols from simple alkane. Now I am taking difficult one. Okay, that is the second one is I am taking butane and I am treating things Cl2, Br2, even I2. Since the difference between the treatment of Cl2 Br2 is that Cl2 is less reactive, more reactive than Br2, because chlorine is more reactive than Br2. It is less reactive, and in case of iodination, you'll have to treat HiO3 या HgO type reagent, तब iodination हो पाएगा, right? In butane, if we substitute in butane, if I am substituting, I am taking in chlorination of butane, one product is N, one is sec. Similarly, in case of bromine, one is N, one is sec. And simple in case of iodination, wherever it is, either in central or terminal, doesn't matter here. In case of chlorination, since chlorine is more reactive as compared to bromine is less reactive, as we studied in alkane chapter, that is lesser reactive is better selective. तो लेसर रिएक्टिव बेटर, यानी कौन लेस रिएक्टिव? ब्रोमीन. तो कौन बेटर सेलेक्टिव? ब्रोमीन. दैट्स वाई इन केस ऑफ ब्रोमीन 2 degree carbon is well selected by bromine is major. In case of alkane, halogenation, the terminal is your major product. That's why lesser reactive, better selective, more reactive, not better selective. And I would like to hydrolyze all these things. And I am treating water either or KOH, NaOH, alkali you can say, NaOH you can say, or OH negative, whatever. These things are hydrolyzing your substrate molecules to what? And we are getting alcohols of different type. N-butyl alcohol, sec-butyl alcohol, N-butyl alcohol, again sec-butyl alcohol, and wherever it is alcohol. So these are the unique preparations of alcohols from alkane topic. One more alkane I am taking. Very good example this is, and I am taking having H1 and CH3. One more CH3, and I am treating with both the reagent, and I will take only major product here right now. Cl2 again, Br2 again, in the presence of sunlight and less quantity monohalogenate करने के लिए. Since Br2 is lesser reactive, then you are getting, in case of chlorination. Third example is isobutane. In isobutane, we are going to treat chlorine as well as bromine. If you treat chlorine, then the major product will be here. Major I am only taking. In case of bromine, major is here in 3 degree, because now reactivity, selectivity, and minor and by treating alkaline hydrolysis I am getting, and in this case I am getting alcohol here. Now in the fourth method, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, I have taken cyclic compounds. If you treat chlorine with this 3-membered, 4-membered, less membered cyclic compounds, due to more stringency, इनके बीच में काफी तनाव है, angular strain that is called. So by treating these molecules either with heat or sunlight, these bonds are totally broken. Means cyclopropane और cyclobutane alkene की तरह reaction देते हैं and are broken to halide, halogen, and these halogen in the second step are hydrolyzed with OH. You are getting these alcohols. And in case of if the ring is bigger, that thing कि due to chair conformation of 6-membered ring, it is easily halogenated without breaking any bond like this, and is hydrolyzed to cyclohexanol. Last reaction is, if benzene is chlorinated in excess, you will get hexachlorobenzene, and if it is hydrolyzed, you will get all OH here. So these are the main preparations of alcohols from different type of alcohols. In number of alcohols in according to reactivity, selectivity, reactivity of lower membered cycloalkane, cyclopropane butane, higher membered cycloalkane, and the reactivity selectivity rule, etc. So these are the preparations of alcohols.